Hey guys, tonight we are making corned beef in the Instant Pot. You're going to want to crush your garlic cloves. I used 5 of them, and throw them in the bottom of your Instant Pot. Then you're going to want to add about 2 cups of beef broth to the Instant Pot. And season your corned beef. So I used my Kinders Bourbon Peach seasoning, put it on all sides, and of course this is after I trimmed up the corned beef. Apparently my camera wasn't on when I was doing that. So you're going to want to season all sides of it, and use whatever seasonings you want. The other seasoning I used was the Grill Mates Sweet and Smoky seasoning. Once you're ready to cook, you're going to put it in the Instant Pot for 20 minutes and let it natural release for at least 10 minutes. Next are the Brussels sprouts, and you're going to toss them in an oil and whatever seasoning you choose. And finally, you're going to end with your garlic bread, and you're going to slice it, spread your garlic butter on top, and toast it to your liking.